Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to fix those common issues when Gemini isn't working. In 2026, most of these glitches come down to a cluttered browser cache or a simple conflict with your Google account. So let's get right into the troubleshooting steps. First, you should try a few quick solutions to see if it is just a temporary page error. Start with a force refresh by pressing Ctrl and F5 on Windows or Command, Shift, and R if you are on a Mac. This clears the specific page cache without affecting your other tabs. If that doesn't work, try opening Gemini in an incognito or private window. If the AI loads perfectly there, it means one of your browser extensions, like a strict ad blocker or a VPN, is likely interfering with the site and needs to be disabled. Next, you need to verify your Google account type if you are getting an unavailable message. In 2026, Gemini still has specific requirements. It generally won't work for minor accounts under 18 or if you are using a school or business workspace account where the administrator hasn't enabled smart services. If you are on a work account, you might need to reach out to your IT department to make sure they have toggled the AI features to on in the admin console. Then, you should perform a deeper clean of your browsing data if the "something went wrong" error persists. A corrupted cache is the #1 cause of blank pages or failed responses. Head into your browser settings, find Clear Browsing Data, and select Cached Images and Files and Cookies for the time range All Time. Once you restart your browser and sign back in, the connection to Google servers is usually refreshed and the errors disappear. Finally, remember to check for app-specific updates or server-wide outages. If you are on Android or iPhone, go to the Play Store or App Store to make sure you aren't running an outdated version of the app. You can also go into your phone's settings, find the Gemini app, and tap Force Stop or Clear Cache to give it a hard reset. If none of these steps work, it might be a global issue. Check a site like Down Detector to see if Google servers are having a bad day. And that is it. Your AI assistant should be back up and running smoothly. If this troubleshooting guide helped you get back to work today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and AI tutorials. See you in the next one.